Daniel with Supreme Auto Glass, and today we're gonna do this Model Y. So we're gonna go through the whole process. Poke. I'm gonna wrap it around. And right here, you're gonna want to double and triple check your line to make sure it doesn't get sliced by any of this laminate little plastic cover. There's a clip under here. We unclip that, and then this all comes off. We have these connectors. So and then grab a clip remover. So from here, you're gonna put a little piece of tape to protect the interior, and you're gonna pry this. That way it gets out of the way. This has a little fancy resort to like keep it from going anywhere. So we're just gonna remove all of these clips. So we're gonna reel up the right spool just so it has some extra line. So this is the Bison with the P8 combo. I prefer the P8 over the P10. The P10 likes to crack the glass because it's so thick, especially on these Teslas. So the P8 is thin and it slices right through it. So right here, we're gonna get it with some water, just some straight water. And then we're gonna get it with this brush to get all the dirt off. That way, after we trim the pinch weld, we don't have to worry about contaminating it after with the rag. So once we clean it, we can just prep and then apply the urethane. For the urethane, for the new urethane. So now that it's all clean, we don't have to touch it anymore. So the reason that we like removing the cable from the body is because these are full of little screws that's all held on here. So to get access, we gotta find a good point where we can infiltrate, you might say. So we get it at a corner. I like to get my little flathead screwdriver right here, just to get it started, and then I can use this plastic pry tool to get around and open up these locks, and it'll come out just like that. So the mirror is a twist off, so get yourself a good pair of pliers, and then you can remove the mirror. And the box, you can pry it off. So here's the mess, you might say. So right here we're gonna get our Torx 10. Yeah, if you don't remove this all together, like outside of the car, then you're gonna have to do this, well, obviously inside of the car. And all of these little screws and this whole mess, it's just better outside of the car. And this is the most important part right here, this little like motherboard. So that's why you need this 000 Phillips. It's always a great idea to have this little set just in case you need it. And then we just got the new wrap. It looks nice. Just gotta get some rims on it now. And now here we put everything back together. Yeah. So as soon as the windshield's on, the cable is gonna be right back where it was. So you just put everything back how it was.